Welcome to our comparison of the EASYERA and Kismile Nugget ice makers. In this video, we will explore the features, specifications, and customer feedback of these two popular countertop ice makers. We'll dive into their pricing, daily ice production capabilities, and self-cleaning functionalities to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or kitchen. When it comes to pricing, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $299, making it a more premium option compared to the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker, which retails for $219. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly choice. In terms of daily ice production, the Kismile model edges out the EASYERA, producing 35 pounds of nugget ice per day, compared to EASYERA's 33 pounds. This slight advantage may be significant for those who frequently entertain or require larger quantities of ice. Both the EASYERA and Kismile Nugget ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, making maintenance a breeze. This functionality is essential for users who want to ensure their ice makers remain hygienic and easy to operate without the hassle of manual cleaning. In conclusion, both the EASYERA and Kismile Nugget ice makers offer excellent features for producing nugget ice. The Kismile model provides better value with its lower price and higher daily production, while the EASYERA offers a compact design suitable for various settings. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed choice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.